Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the world of hot pot with the Little Sheep Hot Pot Soup Base. If you're looking to elevate your at-home dining experience, this might just be the perfect addition to your pantry. This right here is hailed as one of the best hot pot soup kits on the market, and for good reason. It's brought to you by Little Sheep, a brand known for its authentic flavors and quality ingredients. This particular kit comes with 5 packs of their signature hot pot soup base, each weighing 235 grams. Available in a variety of flavors including hot, plain, and hot and spicy, there's something to suit every palate. Whether you prefer a mild broth or crave that extra kick, Little Sheep has you covered. Now, let's talk nutrition. Each serving is packed with flavor without compromising on health. With just 3 grams of dietary fiber and 4 grams of protein per serving, it's a hearty choice for any mealtime. Wondering how easy it is to prepare? It's a breeze. Simply add 2 tablespoons to make 1 cup of delicious soup. Whether you're cooking for yourself or hosting a gathering, it's convenient and quick. The taste! This hot pot base delivers an aromatic blend of spices and herbs that really awaken the senses. The broth is rich, savory, and perfect for dipping your favorite meats and veggies. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips. For an authentic experience, pair this hot pot base with fresh ingredients like thinly sliced meat, mushrooms, and leafy greens. Don't forget your favorite dipping sauces. In conclusion, if you're searching for an exceptional hot pot soup base that delivers both in flavor and ease of use, look no further than the Little Sheep Hot Pot Soup Base. It's a game changer for your home dining adventures. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy cooking!